Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you want motivational, inspirational video and book summary, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. After applying rules mentioned in this video help you reduce work-related stress, more focus by cut down interruptions, increase awareness of your decisions. You remain motivated until the task finished. You will be able to estimate any task. You can improve your work or study process. We are facing the problem of procrastination. Most of the time we delay because we addicted to do things at last time moment. Sometimes tasks are so boring and we have to do that due lack of interest we procrastinate it. For example, our boss assigned us to create a PowerPoint on very boring topics. And when you start working on it, during process you got WhatsApp message from friend and you start reading it, suddenly Facebook or Instagram notification pop up on your mobile screen. Instead doing that work on PowerPoint slides, you started to waste a lot of time. As result, when deadline not meet or later a lot of task pending, we become stressed. Most of us have the habit of checking email after 5 minutes. And this is just starting point and we move email checking to web surfing. As result, we waste a lot of time. This problem also faced by Francesco Cirillo during his university days. He found his solution in kitchen timer. He set the timer, until timer not ring, he just focus on his study. And as result he started to complete his required study for exam. His mind become more relaxed. So he decided to break his task into number of fixed timer intervals. And during these intervals he focus only on that task. Nothing other. Later Francesco called this technique Pomodoro Technique. When we did not to focus on studies or work assigned to us and we delay it, more worries created, and these worries creates more fear to us. And as result we become more stress. Only secrets here to finish the work or study to it reduce the stress. Our mind internally have alarm system. It creates thoughts certain task is pending. Instead we work on these tasks to complete, we again waste time. Later these thoughts trigger feelings of anxiety and tension and we become stressed. Only reduce stress we need to complete the task. And when we start focusing and task is started to finish, our focus automatically built and mind start to relax. We cannot climb Mount Everest in single jump, we have to take one step at time and after one step another step and finally we can reach on the top. This technique teaches the same. Pomodoro also makes high ever spirit high because we have small win. For example, our goal to finish one Pomodori at time not complete project. So after completion of Pomodori we have some achievement. Then we move for next Pomodori. When you are achieve something, you certainly be more relaxed, you can go home with much more relax, much give more time to family instead to stay on bed to take tension or worried about task. What would be length of Pomodori? Pomodori is for 25 minutes. There is no half Pomodori. There is rule that only fully focused Pomodori will be considered completed. You have to finish until something burn, something destroyed. During that time, no email, no phone call, no WhatsApp, just focus. Until decided 25-minute completed. Incomplete Pomodori is not count, there is no break, you have to start again. Form minute 1. What if task completed at 20 minute? To make habit, you have to revise your work. You have to spend resting 5 minutes for testing and verification. No break, no email. Just focus on review the task. Even 2 minutes left, just focus. You must take breaks. Breaks are important. They are not optional. For example, when you finish task, don't go into checklist, take break. If you did not take break, your mind will emergency breakdown. It is necessary to check email, then go, otherwise take relax. So your mind again ready to focus work. Again, there is no Facebook and WhatsApp intentionally. Take claim and enjoy the taste of accomplished. Always take break of 5 minutes after each Pomodori. But after 4 Pomodori, enjoy the break of 15 to 30 minutes. Hi friends, to closing notes. I can just share you that you can calm your mind, overcome work-related task, with simple technique called Pomodoro. You need list of task. Divide each task with number of Pomodori. Each Pomodori is of 25 minute and 5 minute break. When you make the list, start working, set timer. Until, clock alarm, that 25 minute completed. Focus on task. Focus on study. With the passage of time, concentration start to build up. Manage distraction. You will learn even your mind become calm and stress will reduce and you accomplish much more in less amount of time. If you like this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel.